Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Adler Satellite 2001 I've been working on a little bit, and it's about ready to go. It's actually typing pretty good. Very responsive. It's a nice little typewriter considering how old it is. But while I was doing a final check on it, I noticed the ribbon drive was sticky over here. I already repaired quite a few things on this, but I'm going to remove the other side here and show what this should be like. Let me turn this machine off. It kind of makes a little bit of noise. Okay, so ribbon drive is here. Ribbon reverse is this mechanism here. So what's sticking is on the other side, but it's this piece right here. Should be moving freely like this one. You flip it, it just springs right back real fast. But if you come over here to this side, this is actually a pretty common deal, not just with these but with other typewriters, so I'll get that. And you see how that moves slowly? This piece here, see how slow that moves? Some of these won't even move, they get stuck. This one's just gummed up a little. Should snap back fast. So it's a pretty simple fix. It's the pivots are right under here somewhere. Let's see if I can see it. Can't really see it. I think we're just gonna have to go assume it's right under here. I'm pretty sure it is. So where's that little piece at, right? Get that piece. Okay, so it is this big piece right here. Right there. See, it's moving slow. That's pretty easy. So it's that rivet right there. So, magic fluid here, lacquer center, right in there. Move it a little bit. There, and make it so it's give it a little air. Get it from beneath here a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, let me hit this thing with some air. Like that. And I think it's starting to free up here. Oh, it looks like it's actually binding on something, maybe. Yeah. I think it might be binding here somehow. I think it's all sticky here a little bit. That piece is moving, but the other corresponding piece is moving slow. Right here, see that piece? It's also moving slow. So I'm going to slide this carriage over a little further and hit all these parts with some of the lacquer center here. Work it in there. Some minor air here. Blow it through there. Okay, that's definitely responding better now. Okay, I think that did it. I'm going to finish it off with some super light lube. And I'm going to blow that through. All through there. Let's take a look now and see how that mechanism is responding. Wait here a little bit. Okay, nice and fast. Nice and fast. Looks like she's fixed nice and fast. Now it responds right away. That's just sticky parts. We'll go through there, make sure everything is flushed out nice. I still see this doesn't look right. This doesn't seem right to me still. This side doesn't do anything anything like that. This does seem to stick a little bit too, maybe. Yeah, see, that's supposed to spring back into that position. And it's not. Almost like there's a spring missing. That's good. That's not right. That's not right. All I gotta say is that is not acting right. Now, I'm not sure why this is not springing back properly. This side does. I see the problem. Okay, this little stud, there's a stud right there. It's on the wrong side right there. Well, this was a little sneaky. That stud right there needs to be on the other side of this arm, like that, right there. Now, springs properly and moves. Still sticking a little. I think it's okay. I see it's supposed to. This little arm is it's bent up a little bit. It's only supposed to go that far. It's catching right on the top of this other little black piece right there. I don't think it's supposed to like it's supposed to be down. Let's look at the other side. Let's see. Yeah, the other side bumps right into that black arm, and it is sitting lower. So this arm on this side got a little must have got bent up, or just worked its way up after years and years. Let's see if I can form it down a little bit just by bending it like that. Okay, let's try that and that. Okay. Now it's bringing back. Oh, it's still got, if I lift it up, let's see. Under normal operation, though, I think it's going to be alright. Yeah, because it doesn't drive it that far. Okay, so now it's not sticking. That little tiny arm right there. This piece got on the other side. I think that's it. I think we're going to call that. Good, that's that German technology to get a little carried away with a reverse mechanism. Brings back, let's try this side. Okay, we're going to call that good. Slight modification to, not modification, but little service of the ribbon reverse mechanism on this Adler. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.